Yung pinaka-importante dili nga balo da rin memalen, dahil kayang manalbe kay katamo. Sabi ko, not a single day na may rata mo. Alata mong advertisement, kareng local, uling makasarala, rin karelang negosyo. Keng national, makanyan mo naman. Alita mo manik ang advertisement para midina niyang gasolina in kaya katamong television network at isundo tamo, ingaldoldo tamong gagawan keng dala ng pompa mag-broadcast. Ne? Pero baluyo, nakatamo pe paboren ing kay katamong mother company ing Laos Group of Companies keni kay asubok linwal itang matapat ng corporate social responsibility ning Laos Group of Companies. The Laos Group of Companies continued supporting the operation of CLTV 36 even at the time when our affiliates, those in the auto dealership, were also affected by the pandemic. Pero just the same, kaluguran de ing balen na they feel committed to the general public, ing inunada ing public service, manatili keng ere ing CLTV